Hi there. In this video, we're going to answer the question, how do I make my first sale? My name is Boomy Tokan, and if you're looking for simple, actionable strategies for starting a business, advancing a current business, and for self-development, then do subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. If you're stuck on the motorway and you want to change your tire, and you forgot your wheel spanner to unlock the wheels, and somebody came along and said, hey, do you need help? And you say, yeah, I do need help. And can I help you? I'll help you to unlock that wheel. It's going to cost you £10. Do you stop and say, excuse me, where's your business card? Do you say that? Oh no, you're so happy that they're there to help you that you instinctively ask for nothing but them solving the problem that you have and you making a payment for that service. That's all you're interested in. That can be the way you start making sales for your business. It could be just that simple. You don't even need to have a business card to make your first sale. You don't need anything to make your first sale. I'll tell you something else. If to make your first sale is going to cost you thousands of pounds before you can create a product, then you are missing it. Then you need to redesign your business so that it doesn't cost you that much at all. It costs you next to nothing sometimes to even make your first sale. Okay, how is this going to work? So let me tell you how this is going to happen. So let me give you the 5 steps you need to take to help you make your first sale. And this has to be engineered from the beginning. It starts with even the type of product or service that you choose to deliver to your audience. So let me say it like this. You decide what your passion is, what your skills are, and what your expertise are. Then you're going to choose a product or service that you are more inclined to deliver. The second step is you think about the group that you want to deliver your products to. So that could be people in a particular age group, or a particular ethnicity, or a particular profession, or whatever it is. You need to choose a niche. There needs to be a clear niche that will use your product. So you are using your expertise to deliver solution to a particular group of people or a particular sector of the market. So it could be that you're delivering your products to those who are runners, or you're delivering your products to those who use Mac, or you're delivering your products to those who use a particular app, or you're delivering your products to those who use a particular platform, but you're delivering your product to a specific group of people. And the more niche they are, the better it's going to be, because that's going to make it easier for you to come up with a solution that solves the problems that they have. Okay. The third step is you get involved in the lives of people in that particular group. So that's why it's easier for a pregnant woman, for example, to deliver a service or a product to other pregnant women or new mothers. Why? Because that person has been through that process. They've got the skill, they've got the expertise, they've got the passion, and so they get involved in that group, and that's a niche. So that's what we're talking about. This is really important. This is how you make your first sale, okay? So you get involved in the lives of those people if you are not already involved. Naturally speaking, most people that start businesses are already involved with those type of people anyway. So they understand their problems and they know their niche and they get involved. Then you tell those people the solutions, because by getting involved in their lives, you've kind of seen the problems that they have. Then you inform them of the solutions that you have and encourage them to contribute towards the development of that solution. This is really key. This is where it becomes really important that you get involved in that group. That's why you only start a business that you're passionate about, okay? So first thing, let me go over this again. First thing, you choose a business that you're going to work in. You choose the idea you're going to work on. And like I said, I'm going to show you how to do that in the video if you check the description. Then secondly, you decide on the group you're going to deliver your service to. Then you get involved in that group. And then number 4, you get them to contribute towards the development of your product. You do this, you do that like this, by telling them that, hey guys, I want to create this product that I think will solve this particular problem. I want to know what you think. So they're giving you feedback. And part of that feedback is you will ask them a question: how much would you pay if I could deliver this kind of service? So they're going to give you some idea of, how much they're going to pay and stuff. Then number 5, once the product is developed, you take it back to that group and you get them to use it and to buy it. That's how you make the sale. Generally speaking, most people generate their sales in this particular manner because you're already working with the group you want to sell your product to, and they've helped and contributed to its development, and as such, they're more likely to pay for it. I've used this to develop a workshop, for example. We're going to do a workshop once, and obviously I know how to raise money for people. My friend and I were very good at raising grant funding or raising any kind of funding, but this particular one was for grant funding. So I decided on a group we're going to go for. We're going to go for those who need a grant of about 10,000 or 20,000 pounds. So we went to them. I spoke to those people, understood their problems. Then I went back to them and said, okay, I have a solution for you. How much would you pay for it? And they said, okay, we'll pay this amount. And that's how we started. And we had a workshop and we were subscribed for what we wanted. So that's the way it works. Think about the idea, go after a particular, decide on the group you want to reach, go get involved with that group, offer them the opportunity to contribute towards your product, and then sell them the product. That's the way to start generating your first sale. So once you sell to those early adopters, they're called, then you can move on to sell your product to a much larger market. All right. If you enjoyed this video, then do subscribe to my channel, and there's going to be a video here that you can click on that shows you how to get the best business idea for you. Okay, you click on that and that will take you there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. As I said, if you like it, then like it. If you like it, then share it. And I'll see you in the next one.